In this video, I'll show you how to open the BEHR paint can with the simple pour lid. So when you get this can at Home Depot, they should offer you for free one of these attachments. If you didn't receive one, I'm sure you can just go back at the store and get one of these because this is very important. The first usage of this is to open the can. You see here, you just need to align it with the small gap that it has. You see right in the middle there. And then you're gonna turn anti-clockwise. It's a bit hard with one hand, so just hold the can with the other hand and just rotate it until this lid is completely off. You can finish up with your hand. Now take this attachment and turn it around. You're going to use the other side of it. Place it on the opening and turn clockwise this time. And secure it very tight so it doesn't move around anymore. Now all it's left to do is to pour it in any container that you have. And when you're done, simply unscrew this anti-clockwise, remove it, place back the lid and screw it back tightly. You can also use this just to make sure that it's very tight by doing the contrary of what we did when we opened it. And by the way, I forgot to mention, if you don't want to use the system, no problem. This can opens the old way as well, just with a flathead screwdriver and by prying all around this bigger lid like this. So you have two choices. It's up to you which one you'll choose. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.